Mail day. I am so stoked for this. Best Valentine's ever. A package from Joe and Sydney Meredith. Bubble wrap. Fuck yeah. Here you go, Rex. Another box to lay in. Look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. This is the poster for Joe Meredith's new movie, Teratomorph. I'm probably butchering that. I'm sorry, Joe. And this artwork is done by the amazing Martin Trafford. That is just gorgeous. And this here is some more kick-ass art. Get away from the plastic. So. Those are the monsters, and then it's got just a quick little write-up on the lore behind these creatures. And this artwork, these are all drawn by Joe. Fucking kick-ass artist as well. So great to see him and Martin working together. My two favorite artists. This is fucking cool. That is fucking awesome. And both covers, because you gotta. Like, it's just so fucking badass looking. Number 15 of 100. Sweet. The Encore. That's some sweet disc art as well. Inner sleeve. Dope. So this is the limited cover, and this is the regular cover. which is still totally fucking badass. That's beautiful. And this one here is a follow-up to Joe's movie from last year called South Mill District, his debut short film. And that is the film that restored my faith in short films. Joe Meredith, South Mill District, and Samuel Vinici's Senses. Sorry, Samuel, if I mispronounced your last name. Nothing you can do about it. Anyways, that's the unboxing of Joe Meredith's awesome package. I know what I'm doing for the rest of the night. Double feature time. Later.